Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best folding Adirondack chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Sunin Folding Adirondack Chair. This chair is designed to maximize convenience with its highly compact folding mechanism, making it an excellent choice for those with limited storage space. It's constructed from HDPE material, ensuring weather resistance and fade-proof durability, even in the harshest outdoor conditions. The standout feature here is its dual cup holders, one for standard drinks and another for wine goblets. This added functionality makes it perfect for unwinding after a long day. In terms of design, the Sunin chair has a clean and classic black finish, with a solid backrest and a sturdy, ergonomic structure that supports up to 380 pounds. However, its overall weight of 31.6 pounds makes it lighter than some competitors, which can be a pro or con depending on your needs. The slatted seat design ensures water doesn't pool after rain, adding to its low-maintenance appeal. While it's a great budget-friendly choice, the chair's smaller dimensions and slightly less robust build, compared to other options, mean it's best suited for occasional use or those looking for an affordable option. Pros include its space-saving design and dual cup holders, while the cons are its slightly lighter build and narrower seat width. Coming in at number 4 is the Kinyes Folding Adirondack Chair. This chair stands out with its elegant wood grain texture that mimics the beauty of real wood while offering the durability of HDPE material. It's all-weather resistant, making it a reliable companion for outdoor spaces, whether it's by the pool, in the backyard, or on your deck. The ergonomic design features a cloud-like backrest and wide armrests, ensuring comfort and support for long lounging sessions. One of the highlights of the Kinyes chair is its partially pre-assembled design, allowing you to set it up in just 15 minutes. Its oversized seat and robust frame can support up to 350 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The navy blue finish adds a touch of sophistication, and the slatted backrest ensures proper ventilation even on warm days. However, despite its sturdy build, the chair is slightly heavier at 37 pounds, which may make it less portable than some other options. This chair is ideal for those who value both aesthetics and functionality. The durable HDPE material ensures low maintenance, and the folding feature allows for easy storage. Pros include its stylish wood grain finish and ergonomic design, while the cons are its heavier weight and slightly higher price point compared to similar models. At number 3, we have the Nevellywood Folding Adirondack Chair. This chair is designed for ultimate relaxation with its ergonomic extended backrest, which provides a high level of comfort and support. Crafted from premium HDPE material, it offers a wood-like aesthetic without the hassle of maintenance. This all-weather chair is resistant to cracking, peeling, and fading, making it ideal for year-round outdoor use. The Nevellywood chair also features a patented pin-free folding design, ensuring quick and safe setup and storage. With a weight capacity of 380 pounds and a generous seat depth, it accommodates a wide range of users comfortably. An integrated cup holder is another thoughtful touch, perfect for keeping your drink within arm's reach. However, at 34 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, which can make it less portable. This chair is perfect for those seeking a blend of durability, comfort, and style. Its easy assembly process and low-maintenance design make it a practical choice for busy households. Pros include its ergonomic backrest and patented folding design, while the cons are its slightly bulkier structure, which may not suit those needing a more compact option. Taking the second spot is the Muchenghe Folding Adirondack Chair. This chair offers a fantastic balance of practicality, comfort, and affordability. Made from weather-resistant HDPE material, it's built to withstand the elements without cracking, fading, or peeling. The oversized seat and high backrest are ergonomically designed for maximum comfort, while the hidden cup holder adds a touch of convenience. With a folding design that's easy to operate, this chair is perfect for storage and portability. It supports up to 380 pounds and features a solid, durable build that feels stable and secure. The gray finish is modern and neutral, making it a great addition to any outdoor setting. Assembly is straightforward, with most users completing it in under 30 minutes. The Wuchenghe chair is an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable and attractive Adirondack chair at a reasonable price. Its pros include a spacious design, hidden cup holder, and weather-resistant materials. The only downside is that it might be slightly less luxurious in terms of finish compared to higher-end chairs. And finally, at number 1, we have the Greenvines Folding Adirondack Chairs. This set of 2 chairs is the ultimate choice for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor experience. Made from true HDPE material, these chairs are incredibly durable, weather-resistant, and fade-proof. The striking blue color adds a vibrant touch to any patio, backyard, or fire pit area. What sets the Greenvines chairs apart is their ergonomic design, featuring a hidden cup holder and a reclined structure for maximum comfort. The spacious dimensions and 400-pound weight capacity make them suitable for a wide range of users. Assembly is a breeze, with most people completing setup in under 20 minutes. Plus, the foldable design makes storage and transport effortless. These chairs are perfect for those who want a premium experience. With their high-quality build, striking design, and practical features, they're worth the investment. Pros include the durable HDPE material, hidden cup holder, and vibrant color, while the only con is their slightly higher weight, which may not suit users looking for ultralight options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.